Dear students, we are continuing our chapter from hunting, gathering to growing food, part 2. Why were they on the move? 2 million years ago, humans were hunters, gatherers. They gathered food, roots, seeds, etc. and hunted animals, fish and birds. All this way was very difficult. Animals were stronger and ran faster. So humans needed to be very robust, alert, quick and have presence of mind. To collect plants, knowledge of plants is needed to know which of them is poisonous. Also, knowledge of seasons was required. One million equal to 10 lakh. Hunter-gatherers moved from place to place. Basically, people moved from place to place due to following reasons. First, if they had stayed at one place for a long time, they would have eaten up all the available plant and animal resources. Therefore, they would have had to go elsewhere in search of food. Second, animals move from place to place either in search of smaller prey or, in the case of deer and wild cattle, in search of grass and leaves. That is why those who hunted them had to follow their movements. Third, plants and trees bear fruit in different seasons. So, people may have moved from season to season in search of different kinds of plants. Fourth, people, plants and animals need water to survive. Water is found in lakes, streams and rivers. While many rivers and lakes are perennial with water throughout the year, others are seasonal. People living on their banks would have to go in search of water during the dry seasons, that means winter and summer. What do perennial mean? Perennial sources of water are those rivers and lakes in which water is available throughout the year. For example, Ganga river and Yamuna river. Non-perennial sources of water are those rivers and lakes in which water is not available throughout the year. Water in them get dried up in summer season. For example, Mahanadi and Krishna. Perennial, which water is available throughout the year. Non-perennial, water is not available throughout the year. How do we know? Archaeologists have found tools made of wood, bone and stone used by early people for cutting bone and meat, chopped fruits, digging roots and stitching clothes of animal skin. It is likely that people made and used tools of stone, wood and bone, of which stone tools have survived best. Some may have been attached to handles of bone or wood to make spears and arrows for hunting. People also used to chop wood as wood was used in making huts.